Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Ford Transit 350 XLT. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to an automatic select shift 6-speed transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, and over the side we have our 16-inch steel wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires, as well as our right-hand sliding door with our step, as well as our black mirror caps and black door handles. We also have privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as a reverse camera. We also have our Transit 350 XLT EcoBoost and Ford badging. We have our swing open doors and our third braking light up top. At our interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, as well as power adjustable mirrors. We also have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have our information trackpad and cruise control settings on the left, as well as our hands-free and volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our climate control for the rear as well. And we also have our tons of ventilation systems with lots of cabin lights. As we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 51,293 kilometers on our transit van. And as we look ahead, we have our LCD display screen, which allows for a backup camera display, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and radio connection, media control, phone connectivity, and many more great features. And down below we have our dual climate control area, which includes our air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as we have our 12-volt adapter with dual cup holders and a USB port, as well as our console shift. As we slide open our door, you'll notice that we have a total of 15 passenger seating within this beautiful transit van. In our second row we have 3 seats, and in our third row we have more 3 seats. And as we enter into our rear rows here, we have 3 seats in our third row and 4 seats in the fourth. If there are any more questions about this beautiful transit van, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.